Hello learners! In previous video we learned to implement if-else statement in templates. Today we will learn to manage static files in Django. I have downloaded a fronted file from Django. If you want to use the same file, link is in the description. Now we will put all the HTML files in it in our templates folder. Now we will put all the remaining files like image folder, CSS file, JavaScript file in the static folder. Now we have to make necessary changes to make this static work in our project. For that, type Now that we have add static folder in our settings, let's make changes in our HTML files. We already have path and view made for our index.html. So now let's make changes in our HTML file. Let's see running our server once. Here we can see the index.html is working, but there is no CSS added to it. We just have to add static folder address where we are calling our CSS. Let's see running our server again if we can see any changes. And we can see the CSS is applied. Now let's add images too. As we have multiple images, there is a trick for it. Just select the part which is common in every and press Ctrl+D, as it will choose every line having common what we selected. Then just simply type static as we done for CSS. We can see all our images are added.